Hello, my name is Hiroshi Yamazoe. This time I would like to talk about the universe. I have never studied about the universe particularly. However, I think the universe is full of mysteries and no one understands everything. But everyone lives in this universe. So I think everyone has own thought of the universe. This time I'd like to talk about my own thought of universe. First of all, I'd like to briefly explain what mainstream science thinking about history from the birth of the universe to this current age. About 13.8 billion years ago, a big explosion called Big Bang happened, and then this universe was born. And then Earth is born about 4.5 billion years ago. And then the living things are born about 4 billion years ago. And then the present human race, called Homo sapiens, was born about 200,000 years ago. And then about 10,000 years ago, the ice age of the earth ended. Then agriculture developed. And then civilization was born, and it has improved, and it reached this present. That was the history of the universe, which is the mainstream of science theory today. Here I have two questions. First, what was before the Big Bang? Is there was nothing before the Big Bang? If so, why did the Big Bang came from nothing? 0 plus 0 equals 0, so nothing born out from nothing, isn't it? Or was there something that existed before the Big Bang? If so, where did its existence come from? Or does it exist forever without coming from anywhere, like us gods in Genesis in Bible? Second question is, how did born living things? If living things evolved into a human by function of the gene DNA, how were living things with such functions born in the first place? According to one theory of science, various substances are mixed together in a place like a pond, coincidentally, and then living things was born. It is called primordial soup theory. Is there any chance that something with such a function will be born by such coincidence? According to another theory, the living things on the earth came from outside the earth to such as ride on meteorites. This is called a panspermia theory. But how was that living thing born in the first place in another planet? This again raises the same question as Big Bang, that what made the first root cause? The fact that living things were born by, like the primordial soup theory. It is very low probability, but it may be possible. But the Big Bang that came from nothing is cannot understand. So I can guess that something has existed since the beginning of everything. There is something most strange when you look at the microscopic world of this universe. It's world of quantum. Quantum is the smallest unit of substance that cannot be decomposed anymore. These are the electrons, neutrons, and protons. These are also photons, neutrinos, quarks, and muons. These substances make light. There is quantum mechanics. It explains the rule of quantums. The quantum mechanics. This is very strange. According to quantum mechanics, quantum is particles and also waves. Quantum has the two properties of waves and particles. This was proved by the experiment called double slit experiment. The meaning of the wave is that quantum is vaguely existence like as a cloud. What if human observe it? It will be shrinking to one place. What does it mean to it change by human observation? Its quantum has consciousness. It's very strange, but scientists say that's what it is about quantum. It is revealed in the many experiments. This quantum mechanics is very strange. There is also strange phenomenon called quantum entanglement. The quantum that influence each other will influence each other no matter how far apart. This property can be used to teleport information beyond the speed of light. In fact, this teleport experiment is already a success. So teleport technology already exists in real world, not in science fiction. It is, I think, mind-blowing, but it is truth. There is another strange property called quantum superposition. One quantum can exist in multiple places at the same time. What does it mean? From my understanding, this is because one quantum before observation is not one particle, so it can exist in multiple places like as clouds. quantum computers are currently being developed using this effect, quantum superposition. Quantum computers can use the effect of quantum superposition to calculate multiple possibilities at the same time. Therefore, quantum computers have extremely fast computing power. I have saw the news that recent years that a Canadian research institute has actually made the quantum computer. The word quantum mechanics is really incomprehensible. A quantum cloud, when observed, it becomes one particle. So where did the multiple particles in quantum superposition go? There is a multi-dimensional cosmology theory to explain this. That means that the universe will split when quantum is observed, and the different universe never meet each other forever. This theory called multi-dimensional cosmology. And also, universe is full of mysteries other than Big Bang or quantums. There is substance called dark matter that has not been discovered yet. This dark matter is substance that constitutes more than 80% of the universe. So the substance that make up most of this universe has not been found. There is also mystery that the expansion of this universe is accelerating. Previously, it was thought by scientists that the expansion speed of the universe would gradually slow down after the Big Bang. It was thought that the power would decrease just like as actual explosion. But that is accelerating. It is also mystery of universe. So the universe is full of mysteries. There are too many strange things in universe. Especially the quantum mechanics is incomprehensible. Anyway, I think it is certain that the universe is full of mysteries. I think the laws of the universe are beyond current human knowledge, and it may be impossible for me to understand in my lifetime, but I want to continue studying about universe. I think it is important to know about this universe because we all living in this universe. By the way, in other videos, I have talked about what happens when we die and the future of mankind. Such questions are also huge mysteries. I think no one knows the real answer, but I think it's important fundamental questions, so I made those videos. After I shared those my videos on YouTube. I received some reactions from the world. Later, my Russian friends on Facebook suggested that I share my thoughts on the universe on next time. So this time I shared about my thoughts on the universe. What do you guys think about the universe? If you comment on it, I really appreciate it. And I will continue to post various videos on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. So, thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you. Goodbye.